All right, YouTube. I've added some electrical accessories to the little tractor here. We'll just go over some of the basics that I didn't always know, and maybe you don't. Maybe there's some information in there for people. So the big red button here is a horn wired to the battery through a fuse. The 12-volt outlet here, I plug in my battery tamer or any other accessory that takes a cigarette lighter adapter. The center switch is not used for anything, and I've just got the wire somewhere in there. This one here with the red heat shrink on it, it's just for future consideration. It was for something else, but plans changed, as they sometimes do. Anyways. All right, now to the rear of the tractor. Up on the top of the roll bar there, I've got a Bluetooth light bar that I purchased pretty reasonable at Canadian Tire. I like it that it's Bluetooth. It's on ignition only, but then you use your phone, which I have for my Bluetooth headphones and whatnot. So I always have it with me, and you can turn it on, parade it through colors, flashing, so on and so forth. Picked it up Canadian Tire's, pretty good deal. Down here, you can see I've got a 12-volt outlet, and then there's two USBs. And as that says, that's battery powered. That's a constant battery with these connectors that I bought off of Amazon. My backup lights are powered off of the rear marker lights. So they're on only with the light switch. And then you can see I've got another pigtail here that's 12-volt ignition and the speedy connector there that I purchased again off of Amazon just to make them so I can connect and disconnect and add different accessories to it. I'm sure that some are aware, but maybe not all. If you can see here, this little piece with the blue tape, and that would have extended across here. The tape marks that there's three pigtails in there that are blank. One is fused battery power, so it's on all the time. One is fused ignition, and then I believe there's a ground. So the ones that you saw up above, they're wired. One is full-time battery, and the other is fused ignition. And then you can see in the corner here, you can see there's a couple other wires coming in, and those are the wires that I've run up the roll bar for the lights. Some people say they can fish them through the roll bar. I was able to push a piece of wire through here, but could not follow it up with the electrical wire. It's a tiny, tiny little opening in one of the corners. It's just not as hollow as one would think. I did run the one inside up here to the top, but that's as far as I got. They're still fairly neat and tidy. I got them kind of tucked in with tie straps and stickers and so on and so forth. Works not too shabby. Anyways, that's all I got for some of my electrical accessories that I've added. Thanks for watching.